3. Low as you can. And then press. Good. Try to keep the shoulders up. 4, 3, 2, 1. It's really good depth. Good hustle back feel. You okay?
All right.
3, 2, 1. Good depth. It's impressive. 4, 3, 2, 1. It's awesome. Grind through it. I'm with you. I'm with you. I'm with you. Let's go 2 more to finish here, okay? 4, 3, 2. Sink, 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 sink. Keep the head up. Try to bend right away now. Try to bend right away. 4. Nice. 3, 2, 1. Drive, 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 drive. Finish, 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 finish. Good. Rack it right there. Awesome.